like what differentiates Google from others is that one, they've got Gemini 3 Pro, which is cool, big context. But two, it's those API keys and that authentication. They've got all that sort of built in. Not saying that it's better than the others, but at least gives you a leg up in those departments. Okay, almost done here. So we talked about code, we talked about the preview, we talked about the storytelling one. Okay, so what I did was, again, thinking I was very smart, I took a Datadog screenshot, uploaded, and said, describe this screenshot. I thought this would be a good exercise. You can tell I was doing all of these while I was waiting for the first one because I still didn't know it was going to make apps. And it did a pretty good job. I'll reload this here in a moment so you can see what's going on. So it animated the screenshot and it changed the Datadog logo. Not the end of the world. It's totally fine. But I did find this rather interesting. You can scroll down and sort of see some of the stuff that was going on here. I was just looking at Azure Functions and the logging. I just happened to have a screenshot for that. But I did find it interesting. I created like a Datadog clone that's animated. But what I wanted to do was get that incident story. So this is one of the ones where I told it when it generates the page, generate the text as well, but also generate the audio. And I said, make a narrative from the story, because as you and I well know, this is something that we deal with often. A client will come to you with like a story about some things that have happened, and maybe they can't piece it together as like a timeline, maybe. Like, let me know what happened, or let me know like the beats that are important. And that's pretty cool. So this gives me like a